Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you or going to explain you guys what I'm making right here. So I made sweet and creamy plantain bananas with baby tapioca pearls. Ayan po. Ayan. So I use the rainbow tapioca pearls. This one, the small guys here. 3 colors. So what I did is I boiled some water. Then once the water is already boiling, I added 1 cup of tapioca pearls. Ayan. And I boiled my tapioca for 15 minutes. Medium heat. Then after 15 minutes, our tapioca is already cooked. Next, I added my boiled or steamed plantain banana that we have in the freezer. Because I have a lot of plantain banana in the freezer, so I use that first before I buy new batch, no? Then, after adding our plantain bananas, I added 1 can of coconut milk. There we go. 1 can of coconut milk. Then after that, I added sugar. You can use brown or white sugar, no? I'm using white sugar because I'm running out of, I don't have any brown sugar. Yeah. Then I also added a little bit of lemon juice to balance the sweetness, no? I don't want my sweets like super sweet, no? I want a little bit of sourness. And I also added a little bit of salt to balance the sweetness and the sourness of the lemon juice. That's why we added pinch of Himalayan salt. But salt and lemon juice is optional, no? You don't have to if you don't like those 2 ingredients. But I like them if I make like this kind of sweets, ayan, or desserts. So this time I make it like watery version, no? Most of the time I made my sweet and creamy plantain banana like a little bit thicker, but this time a little bit watery, no? Because I like this especially cold, no? So if you make it a little bit watery, when you put in the fridge, this still what you call this? Still watery when you eat it, not so dry. You can also eat this hot or cold, no? It's up to you. After that, adding all those ingredients, we just need to simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes or maximum 5 minutes, no? Once all the ingredients, all the mixture is already like boiling or simmering, no? Magbabubble na siya. That's good enough. Then of course you can taste it. You can add more sugar if you want more sweets, or you can add more lemon juice if you want a little bit more sour, or if you want a little bit salty, you can always add salt. But lemon juice and salt is optional. Okay? So yeah guys, at this point this is ready. After 3 to 5 minutes simmering this is ready. Now we can eat our sweet and creamy plantain bananas with tapioca pearls. Ayan po, 3 kinds of tapioca pearls here. Red, white, and green. So let's try mga kaibigan. Let's try it. I love this kind of sweets, cold or hot, no? Hot, cold, I like them both. Look at that! Yummy! So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'm going to make whole version or whole video of this recipe, no? But we are going to add more ingredients next time. Alright? That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!